got two dancing shoes and my friends with me. Here we go. Na 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 na. Here we go. Na 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 na. Here we go. Go 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 go.
It was fun. That's what it's all about.
But I think I'm gonna need a little help from the horn section. Is that alright? Yeah. And that goes a little something like this. Here we go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And that goes a little something like this. Here we go. Na 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 na.
Just happened. The best 8 pilots went. The guy who was in the lead crashed right before the finish line, landed right in front of the finish line, and then got beat. There he is. It's a tough break, it's a tough beat, but it is what it is.
Mr. Justice FPV, Mr. K, UK, England!
Thank you very much.
Right up on the trusses. Lots of time on the clock here. There he is. Oh, bouncing on. He's still doing it. There he is. Little. Hey, he's still good, guys. That was intentional.
HobbyKing.com. Yeah, I guess so. He's not wrong.